afternoon. Many times I'm not able to tighten my chainsaw by myself. So I usually stick a screwdriver up on top and then I have my wife hold the chainsaw while I tighten it. But this time she's not here and I needed to get this done, so I put a screwdriver there, tied a rope to it, tied it to the fence, and then I was able to use the tool to tighten those two bolts and the little screw on top. There's the little screw. Okay. And I was successful at doing that. Okay. So now I'm chopping up this little tree that's still standing. It's being held up by the other branches, but I already got it off the fence. I got the other little siblings off the fence, the other little trees. I just have to keep chopping it up, and the chain comes off when I get to the bush area there. See that log? When I get to that bush area, the chain comes off. So I'm going to stay to the log, stay in the middle. Okay. God bless you and those that's around you. Ta-da! This is fun work, but you really do need a second person so they could tighten the chain while I keep doing other little things. Enjoy your life. Go help somebody by cutting their trees, the little ones. Bye.